This figure shows oil consumption. Basically, we have no climate mitigation at the top, some climate mitigation with the scenarios in the middle, and the bottom, if you take the purple line there, that's consistent with around about 1.5 degrees. The black line right at the bottom is sort of roughly what would happen if there were no new oil fields, if you like. So you just basically use the oil that we already have, but don't go expanding into new areas and so on and so forth. So this is sort of interesting in many respects. So we live in a world where we're heading, let's say, we have some policies already. So you wouldn't expect that we're going to follow the top lines here, but somewhere in the middle, that would maybe take us to 2.5 or 3 degrees. Then we want to go much deeper down to these blue or purple line in this figure. So we should already see some change in what's going on in oil and gas companies. So if they're serious about what they're doing and what they're saying, since we've shifted already from a no policy situation into a situation where there's some mitigation, we should see some change in investment behaviour from oil and gas companies. But also, if these companies are serious about 1.5 degrees, we should see even a bigger step change, moving away from even less investments in oil and gas, because these scenarios are clearly showing that we're going to need a lot less oil and gas in the future. So an interesting question to ask or to look at is, how have investments changed in the sector in the recent years, and how will they change in the near term as they sort of clamp down on climate policy?